Mugen Motorsports did not wait around. Just hours after Honda pulled the cover off the new Prelude hybrid coupe, the famed tuner confirmed a full-body kit and a sports exhaust are on the way for 2026. The package targets the details enthusiasts obsess over: a carbon fiber front splitter, side skirts that visually lower the car, a rear diffuser for a cleaner wake, and a subtle spoiler that finishes the profile. The sports exhaust promises a sharper voice without losing daily drivability. While those big pieces are in development, Mugen already lists accessories for owners who want to personalize right now. There are carbon fiber door mirror covers, a gorgeous set of 19-inch forged BBS wheels, and a high-performance oil filter element. A standout upgrade is the pair of performance dampers co-developed with Yamaha that brace the front and rear to reduce chassis flex and calm vibrations at speed. Mugen's reputation comes from decades of motorsport and a deep Honda connection. Founded by Hirotoshi Honda, the company races in Japan's Super GT and Super Formula series and continues to build tasteful, functional parts that feel factory plus. It all pairs naturally with the Prelude's mission as a sporty, affordable Grand Tourer. Under the sleek body sits the Civic Hybrid's two-motor system and a 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle engine for an estimated 200 horsepower. The new S Plus Shift Drive mode uses the electric motors to mimic the rhythm of a traditional transmission and even spins the engine to heighten the sensation. Add a Mugen sports exhaust to that soundtrack and you get engagement without the drama of a full race setup. Mugen lists these parts on its Japanese site, and United States distributor King Motorsports Unlimited says the full Prelude lineup is expected next spring. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.